How many times in your life did you actually end up saying yes when you wanted to say no? May dalawang dahilan lang yan. Una, sorry to say, baka kulang sarili mong excitement in your life. Kaya parang yung inuutos ng iba, yung gusto ng iba, sige ka lang ng sige. Bakit? Wala kang sarili mong agenda. If you don't have a strong opinion about things, then whatever other people want, you just have a tendency to say yes. Nagiging biktima ka na lang ng plano ng iba, samantalang gusto mo sana yung oras mo para sa'yo. So, isipin mo nga, ano pa ang kailangan mong gawin para magkaroon ng sariling plano? Para magkaroon ng sarili kong excitement. At pagka meron ka na yan, yung passion, yung excitement, yung desire, na yun talaga yung gusto mo, guess what? Makakapagsabi ka na ng no sa plano ng iba. Pangalawang dahilan, sometimes, nape-pressure ka lang talaga ng mga taong nasa paligid mo. You're pressured to fit in, you're pressured to be liked, at dahil doon, ibig sabihin kahit gusto mo ng iba, hindi mo masabi, hindi mo mabigkas, you cannot find the words. You just need the confidence to say, this is what I want. So kahit nape-pressure ka ng iba, hanapin mo yung sarili mong pagdadahilan kung saan, pag binanggit mo, ito talaga yung gusto ko eh. Find your words. Have the confidence to say, hindi ito, pero ito ang gusto ko. Alam mo, practice rin lang yan. Pag nahanap mo yung confidence sa kapapractice na yon, you will be able to say no eventually. When you say no to other people, you're actually saying yes to yourself. Dahil finally, pwede mong gawin ang gusto mong gawin. If you have any comments and questions, just write it on the comment section below. Remember, I'm Coach Pia. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Life is too short, so let's focus on what matters. Let's make better life decisions today.